on the 4th floor. Slowly making his way down to the 3rd floor. He's on the 2nd floor. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have a beautiful exterior landing. The 2nd jumper, not to be outdone by his partner, he's flying our team flag, the skull and crossbones. He slows his forward speed, bringing his parachute over for a fine gold night landing. The 3rd jumper is flying in the state flag.
Que los aviones pasaban primero a limpiar y ya después bajan toda la tropa. Ya. ¿Lo viste? Tanques. ¿Sí entiendes? Primero pasaban los aviones para y después se baja toda la tropa esta.
And departure from the LZ. You will observe Hornets as they continue to conduct attacks of the objective area.
Chavitos. ¿Qué dijo la rueda esa?
That is cool.
I got it on record.
Nice.
Y esos soldados que van a atacarnos. ¿Lista? ¿Ahí viene lista?
Are hurting them. Oh. That hurts.
From HMH 361. Sean Stanley. Captain Travis Hopkins and Captain David.
Audrey.
They are from HMS 166. The H1 Whiskey Cobras are led
grabando.
by Major Patrick Spock Weiner and Captain Greg Dono, Major Martin Richard, and Captain Justin Robinson is there. Captain Jeremy Mikey Farman and First Lieutenant Bill Clyde, Captain Calvin Stewart, and Captain Chris Tank Raywalk.
Ay, mi chulo. Ay. No se ven ya.
Second F-18s are flown by Major Mike
Okay.
Sham Nesbitt and Captain Andrew Fones, and they are from VMSA 32.
Very own. It weighs in at barely 1,200 pounds, and it is powered by more than 400 horsepower, making it, without question, the most high-performance aerobatic biplane in the world today. As you can imagine, this style of flying is very athletic and very hard on the body. Throughout the course of one performance, Sean will experience in excess of 10.5 G's and over 7.5 negative G's. So right now, Sean is going to take a short break, climb for some altitude, catch his breath, tighten up his seatbelts, and let those engine temperatures cool down. So and you will notice there are 3 sets of poles out there. Each set of poles is a ribbon. Those ribbons stand 20 feet above the ground, and they are barely 700 feet apart. Sean started by diving underneath ribbon number 1. Wheels barely 5 feet above the ground.
Me va a pasar abajo de las banderas. Ve.
Right now, over the top. Underneath that and remaining low to the ground and accelerating until passing underneath that
No, tiene que pasar abajo de ahí.
final ribbon. Sean now, airshow right, setting up to show you the world's smallest inside loop. We call this the alley-oop. Oh yeah, all the way around, and diving to the left is our indication that the show line is obstruction-free. Sean is now ready to attempt to slice all 3 of those ribbons in Keep in mind that while through the first 2 ribbons in knife edge flight, Sean's lower wingtip will be less than 10 feet above the ground. Right now, right knife edge flight, left knife edge through number 2, and inverted as Sean threads and shreds that 3rd